Yo, 2014 Hyundai. Some tweaker broke her window, and the only thing they got out of it was a makeup bag. So I got to replace a window on this. Nice little glass shards everywhere to get embedded into my fingers and hands. I got to pick this glass out of the track before I do anything. It's all over the place. I have a little hook tool here. I'm going to get behind here. And pop this out so I can get at that screw. And then there's a little plastic cover here. Same thing. Get in here with my hook tool. Pop that up so I can get at that screw. You probably don't need one, but I have a door panel removing tool. And I can try to get behind here and pop this out. Couple metal clips and a plastic one. And a little rubber thingamajigger that goes on here. And I can just grab this and give it a yank and just pull all these little plastic clips out and then lift up on the panel. Then after I get this panel off, there's a clip right here. You push that in and this comes out. And that's your cables for the door lock and the latch. Pretty slick actually. There's a little tab you push in right here. There's one down here for the light, which is right here. Now this is where things are going to get fun and interesting. I'm going to take this wire loom off and disconnect all these wires on here. Okay, from here on out, I really don't know what I'm doing. So that's all the fun of it. I think the window regulator, from the looks of it, is riveted into this plastic panel. I'm going to take these 10mm bolts out and take a peek in there, see what I see. See what that does. Yeah, I got a big damn window regulator on here. Wow. If I take this out and shake all of the glass out of it. Now I'm looking in here and I can just barely see there's some goofy tab in here. I don't understand. I'm just going to let this hang here for now so I can vacuum out the rest of this glass. I put a jack stand under this door panel so it doesn't fall down any farther than what it does. Now I'm going to vacuum all that glass out. I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. Now I got these pinch clamps. They actually pinch down on the window to hold it in. And I'm going to have to clean these grooves out. And there's like a 10mm bolt in here that I got to unscrew. And the access holes are here and here. There's two of them. There's one back here too. So I'm going to have to get this window down. Oh, I missed it. I missed a piece. I'll vacuum that out. I'm going to have to bolt this up now and get the window down enough so I can loosen up them 10mm bolts and clean those grooves out. Okay, whatever. What did I do? I don't know. What did I do? I'm just going to put all this back together. I'm going to take out these plugs. I'm going to plug in this power window so I can get this window regulator down, turn the key on. I see a 10mm bolt. Now I should be able to unscrew these enough. I don't want to take them all the way out, I just want to loosen them up. I don't know, I give them about a turn or two. Might as well plug this back in again. I'm going to let this window all the way back up again. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll be able to vacuum this stuff out too. Oh, that stuff was stuck on there really well. Okay, I got it all. Whatever's left in the door, hopefully it'll fall through the drain holes someday. I'm not picking any more of this out. I'm just going to let the window back down until it meets up with the holes again. Now I'm going to go to the junkyard and get a window. I cleaned this window pretty good. Depending on the vehicle, sometimes you got to take this stuff out. But I'm going to try not to first and just stick this thing in here and see if it wants to go. If you put it in and you still got all that in, you got to put it in kind of at an angle and then pop it up and get it into the track. Yeah, I got it in the track and it's not binding. I'm just going to push this straight down. And it should be in there. Looks right to me. I'm going to tighten these bolts down. I'm going to turn the key on and plug the window back in again. I'm going to run this up and down a couple of times. Make sure it doesn't bind up and it does what it's supposed to. If you got any glass stuck in any of the tracks anywhere, you're going to hear it. It's going to start crunching like crazy, and if you hear it crunching at all, stop. Roll the window down a little bit and figure out where it is. That's just fine. Now I'm just going to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. I forgot my plugs. Oh no. Don't forget the plugs. It's a job. Okay, bye.